So the purpose and the aim of this video series is to make sure you become fast learners, quick thinkers, and be able to be best at whatever you learn. Be able to like apply whatever you learn very well, and like very well. Yeah. So, and this formula I'm going to give out can be applied anywhere you're learning. It could be dancing, it could be singing, it could be anything, actually anything. But all you have to do is make sure you stick to the formula I'll be giving out, and things are going to work out. Yes. So, well, for instance, me like this, I'm doing software engineering, so I'm learning frameworks, I'm learning programming languages, and a whole lot, designs and other stuff. So it's going to be best for, well, it's going to be good for software engineers, upcoming software engineers, and also everyone. Actually, as I said, everyone. So let's get to this episode. So I bought these 3 courses online, and I'm thinking it's a very good idea to document it as I'm learning. It's an online course, so it's an online tutorial. So everything is online, absolutely from A to Z, which is Udemy. So I got these 3 courses, which is the purpose of me buying these 3 courses is that I want to try and then document like how the learning process is, how fast you can learn. You can learn things very fast, and be able to apply very well wherever you are, like wherever sector you find yourself. So for instance, with these courses, they are sectors, like they are divided into sections, they are divided into modules. So at the end of every module, there's a project you build. That is, for instance, the Flutter, there's a project, there's a mobile app you will build. So with this mobile app, I'll build it, I'll learn it. You learn how to build a mobile app. So after building it, you go to the next model. So the aim, what I'll be doing is, after building the application, the next thing, before I move to the next model, I have to make sure I come up with my own application with the same model. So with a version 1, which will be from Angela, which she's a tutor. She's a very good tutor, because from the reviews I get, from the reviews that I'm reading, then I could see she's a very good good developer. So you can check it out, Angela Yu. Yeah, I follow her on Twitter. Yeah, she's very good. So yeah, so she's going to help me build the version 1 of the application, which is whatever tutorial she'll take me through how to build this, how to do this, build it. Then the next version will be the version 2, which is my build, which will be my idea, but it will be extracted from the version 1. So the version 1 will be extracted from the version 2, will be extracted from the version 1, and then my idea will be added to it. So that is where I come in with thinking outside the box. So to be able to master whatever you learn, you have to make sure you apply it, or you share it with the world. And that's one thing I'm doing right now. I want to share it with you. So as I learn, I try to share it with you guys, so that you guys will know how far it's going. And so that you guys also know that learning something is not that difficult. For example, learning software development, that is mobile application development, or web application, or automating things, is not that difficult, because I'm going to use these 3 courses. I'm going to depend on these 3 courses and then other YouTube channels to see how best things will go. Because I believe once, like, you can learn anything if you believe in it, if you're passionate about it. Yeah, so with that being said, like that is what like this series will be about. So it's going to be a 3 playlist I'll work on. So that is for Flutter, I'll create a playlist for Flutter. I'll create a playlist for Python, that's Python development, and I also create a playlist for web development. So these are the 3 playlists I'm working on. If you think you fall in any of the categories, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and then turn on the notification icon so you don't miss anything. Because you're going to see what can come out of things like this. Because and it's really interesting, because the more you learn, the more you earn. So let's stay tuned, stay connected, and then we'll see how far things go. That being said, I believe you guys are all good and still alive. If you love tech, subscribe to this YouTube channel, because this channel is full of tech. So with that being said, with love for Mighty Makers.